Hi everybody, my name is Attorney Lou Milstein, JD, PhD, and I want to give you a little bit of my background. I've been a practicing attorney in the state of California since 1979. I also have a doctorate in psychology with postdoctoral certification through the UCLA School of Medicine. And I can tell you this, over the years of practice of law, I used more psychology than I have law to be successful. I am a referral attorney. This differs from being an attorney referral service in that when you talk to me, I can give legal advice and legal counseling. Usually when you call an attorney referral service, you get a clerk, possibly a paralegal. They ask your name, they ask what type of case you're looking for, what type of an attorney. They look at a list of attorneys in your area and give you that attorney. I can do a full bore interview and match you up not only with the attorney that's right for you case-wise, but the attorney that fits you from a psychological standpoint, because it's very important to have the good chemistry between attorney and client to be successful. The two areas of practice I do get involved in are real estate / evictions and family trusts. Let me talk about real estate / evictions first. For evictions and landlords, I work in conjunction with a company called Western Legal Services, owned and operated by Joe Biscone, himself a landlord. We are very, very diligent and aggressive in evicting tenants for whatever reason. We do not believe in cash for keys. That's something where a lot of landlords just throw up their hands because tenants are going to hold over and they want them out, and they just pay basically ransom or blackmail to get them out. We do not do that. So if you're looking for a very aggressive attorney to evict tenants, that would be us. Okay, so now you have rental property and you say, you know what, I don't want to deal with this. I need somebody to manage it. Well, I work in affiliation and association with a company called Help You Rent, owned and operated by a gentleman by the name of Kurt Steffen. They collect rents, they get those midnight calls where something is wrong, water leaks, etc., anything to deal with your property. All you have to do is sit back and collect the rent. And if you need to evict a tenant, that's where I would come in that particular regard. Finally, you might be thinking, you know what, this might be a good time to sell this rental property. And I will tell you this is a great time to sell property. For these reasons, property values have never been higher, plus interest rates are going up. And those of us who can remember 2006, 2007, where property values fell off the table, seems like overnight. So Mr. Steffen also owns and operates a company called Realty Discount Services, so we can sell your property at a very good price with a very, very reasonable commission. The final area of law that I practice is family trusts. I do this in affiliation with a gentleman by the name of Steve Starkey. He's an enrolled agent and an accountant and has Allen's Bookkeeping, Accounting, and Tax Service. The first thing we do with clients when they come in is give them what we call a fiscal physical. We look at your assets, your investments, and we make suggestions. Mr. Starkey also has Series 7 licenses and all the licenses that are needed for investments. After doing that, we ask you about your tax situation. Are you totally square with the IRS? If not, we square you away with the IRS, as he's an enrolled agent. And if I have to get involved, I can, because I'm also a tax attorney licensed by the federal government in U.S. tax courts. After that, we give you at the end a fully funded trust. Most attorneys end up giving you a naked trust. The trust is there, but it's your responsibility to put in your house, your bank accounts, your cars, any assets that you wish to be put in. We do that or assist you in doing that before you leave the office, so that when we're done, you are walking out with a fully funded trust. So folks, what do you got to lose? Give me a call. Consultations are free, whether they're in the office or over the phone. And by the way, as a referral attorney, if I get a referral fee at all, it comes out of the attorney share, not yours, under California ethics rule for attorneys 2000. So what have you got to lose? Give me a call. You'll feel as good as if you got a hole in one. So I want to thank you for coming to my website. I appreciate it. You can contact me anytime at my direct 24-hour line, or contact me at my email address, milsteinlaw1@gmail.com. Remember, all my consultations are free, whether it be over the phone or coming in the office. Talk to you soon.